Hello mga kabahay! Welcome sa isa na namang magandang project dito sa Valenzuela. Ito ay ang Be The Garden Bill at mayroon tayong dalawang model houses sa location na to. So itong bahay na ito ay ang Jasmine Model Townhouse. Lot area ay 65 square meter at ang kanyang floor area is 82 square meter. May tatlong kwarto, tatlong toilet and bath, pwedeng dalawang car garage dito, may living, dining at service area. Yung area niya sa likod, pwede yung gawing dirty kitchen. At meron ding itong balcony. Yung isa nating model house, we call it the Iris model. Yun naman is tatlong bedroom, dalawang toilet and bath, may car garage din siya na may isa, balcony as well, at merong magandang living, dining at service area din. Ang lot area nun is 53 square meter at ang kanyang floor area is 68 square meter. Ang prices sa townhouses na to is between 4.9 to 5.9 M. So we only have 3 units left sa location na to at pwedeng bank or in-house financing. If you want to know more about this one or kung gusto niyo mag-house viewing, you can call or text me sa number na i-include ko dito sa video na to. Thank you so much mga kabahay.